Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook a delicious spaghetti recipe together. Let's get started. First, we boil water for the spaghetti and turn on the stove. While we wait, we prepare the ingredients. Everything is cut into small pieces. We are going to make spaghetti with hot dog. And now we check if the water is ready and add the spaghetti. We add some salt, a little bit. Is ready, we add the spaghetti. When the spaghetti is cooked, we drain the water and we add a little butter to the spaghetti for more flavor. We heat a little oil in a pan and we fry some onion. We add the hot dog and cook them for a bit. And we add the Creole marinade with onion, celery, and other ingredients. We mix everything well. We add tomato sauce for more flavor. And we add the paprika, oregano, cumin, and black pepper. We add a little homemade hot sauce, or you can add a spicy sauce you like. We pour in some of water used to boil the spaghetti, and we add the bell pepper, parsley, and the rest of the onion. We mix everything well. We add homemade turkey broth for extra taste. We let it simmer for 2 or 3 minutes. The sauce is ready. We mix the spaghetti with the sauce. Everything is ready now. Now we set the table. We place the spaghetti on the plate. We serve it with black tea. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching the video. May God visit your table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time. Love you.